Why you need the free Adobe Photoshop Grain Photo Effect tutorial.
Drag the image that you want to use in Adobe Photoshop CC. Drag in a film grain effect or a photo. Adjust the image and then click normal. Click linear and then add dodge. Add in another film effect you found on the internet and adjust the image and click normal, linear, dodge, add again. You can change the opacity of this, let's say to 50%. That looks good. Click on the subject image, click image, adjustments, and then click desaturate. If you do not have this option, you can right click on your image and then click rasterize first while the image is still selected. And then go under to filter, noise, add noise, and then 6% looks good. Filter, and then go to sharpen, and then click on sharpen mask, and click OK. And this is the before, and this is the after image.
If you enjoyed this free tutorial, check out more of my videos, subscribe for more, follow, and even share the video.